Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Dawn Does Life, and today is going to be a really quick video. Last minute Christmas gift idea. I was actually just shopping at Dollarama, minding my own business, walking down the Christmas aisle, just seeing what they had, and these things jumped off the shelf into my cart. No, I'm just kidding. I saw these in the Christmas aisle and I thought they were so adorable. The idea of giving these as last minute Christmas gifts is just fantastic. So I wanted to show them to you really quickly. $2.50 each. I mean, if I could fold these in half, they could go in a stocking. Actually, I'm not going to judge you. How do I know what size stocking you have? Maybe they would fit in your stocking. They're perfect for somebody who likes to craft, but you're not sure if they really want to get into the hobby. They're little diamond paintings, and they're not actually that little. We'll measure them when I get into them. They're partial diamond paintings, and they're packaged in a way I've never seen before. So let's just look at one of these. I mean, they're so cute. They're Christmas themed. We've got Santa with his presents. We've got the gnomes, and some of them are holding presents too. And then we've got a snowman blowing a trumpet. Let's just open Santa and see what this kit looks like. So like I said, I haven't seen them packaged like this before. So I am very, very curious. Okay, here's what you get. So you get an instruction sheet. It comes in 3 languages, so English, French, and Spanish. You get your course basic kit, which is all you need to get started. Plate of wax, pen, and a little green boat. And then instead of having the legend on the canvas, you get a little sheet with your legend on it. And this one happens to have 12 colors. You get your drills. And then you get your canvas, and there is no border on it other than, if you look really closely, there is, I guess, a little bit of the canvas going past it. But this would be perfect if somebody wanted to put it in a frame. And let's just measure this really quickly. So the diamond painting is, because it doesn't say on the package, or at least I didn't see that it did. I'm going to go from the edge of the canvas. So like, 23.5 inches wide by 23 inches long. So like not a bad size. For $2.50, it's really like quite impressive to me. So just a partial, all of the black areas. I love, by the way, that the canvas is black. I don't know why, but I do. So all of the black areas you don't have to worry about. Just the Santa and the gifts and the little snowflakes that are floating around in the air. If you take a look at the drill field, it's super, super clear. And the canvas has really, really good stick too. Huh. So quickly, let's just take a look at the other ones. And I'm not going to pull all of the stuff out of each of these other kits because they're the same. The only thing that will be different is yeah, the amount of colors. So this one is the snowman, and it has 9 colors. And let's just take a look at this canvas really quick. And there you have it. Not really confetti ridden too much. It looks actually pretty color blocked. So another like cute canvas. And then let's look at the last one, which was my favorite. And this one has 14 colors on it. I'm just going to pull out this canvas. And this one is 3 little Christmas gnomes. And it looks like they have some gifts kind of floating in the snow. One guy's holding them. And then it's got some decorations at the top. They all look to be exactly the same size. Maybe, well, actually, no. They're slightly different. But I think that is more just the way they were cut. Also, this one does look a little more confetti ridden, but it is my favorite because it's so cute. But I think they're all really cute if I'm being honest. I mean, look at these. They're like, honestly, they're so cute. That's going to do it for me. Hope you guys are having a fantastic holiday season, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Bye.